KICKASSETS. Cha-ching.
Hi, I'm calling from KICKASSETS, and I own 21 houses here in Japan. And I also help other people here in Japan buy houses and rental properties for vacation homes. Hi everyone, welcome. Here we have Mount Fuji. You want a house on top of Mount Fuji? They don't have any, but they got a postal code up there. God, I just got my taxes in mail today. So many pieces of mail that got elastic band on it. Look at all that. Get ready to tally this baby up. Not gonna be fun. Oh yeah, this is what you get when you have so many properties that they have to list them in order. Normally, you just get one of these envelopes. So that's gonna be fun to show you. So now that I've opened it, see? Look how many properties. They have to list them all. Lands and houses separately, of course. That's how many pages I got. And then here are your actual taxes you have to pay for each property, which also gives you the property estimates inside this little binder here. And on here you have the actual payment slips which you pay. They divide them up into 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, as you can see here. So if you can't afford to pay them all off in one shot, you pay them off one by one. The problem I have is I forget, so it's better just to do them all at once. And sometimes you get one that says Zen, which means Zenbu, all at once, which is very confusing because I made that mistake early on where I paid that plus all the 4. So you gotta be careful with that. I can't even remember if they reimbursed me for that or not. I'm sure they did, but yeah. So yeah, I wish they didn't do that. But which this one seems like they just did all the 4 here, which is cool. So, and that's just one of many I have to go through. Yeah. Well, it's gonna be a costly month, that's for sure. Time to say goodbye to all this cash. Yeah. It's bottom 1,000 yens down here, but all these my yens up here, 10,000 yens. Spread it out. Spread the wealth. Share the wealth, they always say. Yeah. But it's all gotta go to that bill. Don't even have enough for that maybe, but that's one bill of many bills. Yeah. Gonna be broke just when I thought I was getting ahead. Pay for this at the convenience store.
9、10、11、12、13枚。
はい、あと、はい、次。
あ、まだこれもね。
はい、全部。そう。
じゃあ、
I have so many papers they fill in the...
出してもらってからじゃないとわかんないね。
はい、次。これもお願いします。
これも？
はい。We're just getting started. We haven't even hit the big one yet either. It's gonna take me 20 minutes just to pay for my freaking taxes. Hi. 続ける。あいやー。あいい。Still growing. Ooh, I feel like I'm riding a taxi and the price keeps going up. Oh my goodness gracious. You can stop now. My lucky number. お金借りれるかな I don't have enough money on me to pay all these. Oh. Holy night. お金借りれるかな思ってるよりもかかる。39枚ですね。当てますよね。はい。 Alright. Alright, here we go. 何枚ずつやればいいかな。
10枚ずつぐらい。
Alright.
表示内容を確認して、よろしければ OK ボタンをタッチしてください。
Gotta catch up. Take on my way, like that. Alright. I don't think it's all over my like this. Look at me, man. Alright, take it out there. Bro. Oh, there's money right here. Oh no. Yeah, we're down to thousands. Oh, I gotta speak. We're back in the wall here. Am I gonna say? And 1,000. And 100 yen change. Wow. That's a lot of money. これ僕の領収書ですか？ This is my receipt. Check that out. これ自分の領収書ですか？
そうです。今大事なのはこちらから。
There we go, the stamps. Say that you paid. And my empty wallet now. And that was just part of it. I still have to pay these. Hiya. Ink, I think she's gonna run out of ink by the time I finished all this. Look at that. これ初めてですよね。
こんな、私は長いけどこんなにいっぱいは初めて。
はい。She said this is the first time she's ever had this many. Obviously. This is about half my property is being paid at once. Unfortunately, I didn't get all the bills in the mail yet, and because they're all from different areas, and I don't have enough cash on me. That's the one thing, is when the taxes come in, they surely come in. It's a lot of money. But it's part of owning real estate.
はい、39枚。
お疲れ様です。
10枚だよね。
はい。Yes, I'm here at 7-Eleven, and I just paid my taxes, as you saw. It's a lot of money. Just paid 550,000 yen. Don't have enough to pay the other 300-something thousand yen, and then I have more taxes coming. So, yeah, running a real estate empire isn't exactly easy. It's not free. You got to pay a lot of taxes and a lot of bills, but you know, it is what it is, and it's a lot of fun. So the only sad part is that it comes all at one time, so it catches you off guard sometimes. So boom, all the cash and gone, just like that. And the one point is that you can actually pay your taxes divided into 4 for a lot of times. So you can pay them at increments during the year. Well, I don't want to do that, honestly, because I'm getting older, and even when I was younger, I can't remember if I paid it or not. So I don't want to do that. I want to make sure I get my bills paid for right away. or else I'll forget, especially if there's a due date on it. So I always recommend that. Pay your bills as soon as you get them. Even if you have to go broke, it's also, you don't have to worry about it ever again for the entire year instead of every 3 months. So that's why I paid it off in one shot. So my advice to you. And I still got my other taxes to come. Yeah, it never ends, huh? All right. Hope you learned something today. Took her 20 minutes to do all that. LOL. Thank you, 7-Eleven.